Hi friends, this is Vetrivel. This tutorial I will teach how to generate a invoice like PDF format in ASP.NET. So I already designed one build copy like that. This is invoice number, order number, and order sheet. This is showing the date, and this is showing the company name. This is product and all. So I'm designed like I will show the code for that. Just open with notepad, so you will see the code. I am designed that code using the table and all, using the table and table space and all. This is the HTML code, and now I already designed this document using the HTML here, and now I need to generate the PDF file for that. So now I will teach all this code for that. Just go to the project. This is new form, the default form. I added a newly form. So here coding window is the page load window. Here I will declare the namespace. For time being I will make the all the code here. So I need to declare the namespace using system IO and system text and system.data. So I am using these three namespace here. This namespace, this is system.io, is will used for a string reader and IO object, input output object. This is the manipulating the text and all. This is the using the data table. That time we will use the text. After that I will declare one more three namespaces here. One is three namespaces. I text or text I text of text dot pdf, I text dot html dot simply pairs. So it will pass the HTML files into PDF. Okay, but it will showing the error because I text is not in a Visual Studio, is a third party DLL to add this in your project. So how to add the third party DLL in your projects? So I already have that DLL. This is itext.dll. You want itext.dll, then you have to go to browser and type itext.dll for ASP.NET. So you can find download here from here, and after that you will get that DLL here. Now I try to add the DLL from my website. So just click the solution explorer and your project name and right click add new item, sorry, add reference. You have to select add reference. Inside add reference you have to click the browse icons and go to desktop, and you have to find the DLL here. So this is text I sharp DLL. Just click OK. So it will automatically created the bin folder. Inside a bin folder it will add the text sharp DLL files. Once hit the run button or anything, it will won't show the error. It automatically converted into here. Now I add the other things. Now I declare the company and invoice numbers here. So in form load I am just using, this is my company name, this is order number. I will declare here. After that I will adding the data tables here. Just copy and paste it here. So I am declaring the data table, creating the data table D, and adding the columns, 5 columns here. One is product ID, product, and price, and quantity, and total. So this is string, this is int, this is int, this is int. Okay, now adding all the values from the 5 roses, 101 sunglasses, price is 200 and quantity is 5, and this is total amount. So likewise I added the records. So I will put the debug mode here and run the project once again. So you will see the all the details here. So it comes debug mode here, and now is dt is null, and now dt have the columns, so he will see the columns, have the columns but without record here. Now press F10 F10 F10, and now going to dt and click the columns, so you will get the 4 column 4 rows, 4 records is there. So these records will be transferred into the HTML document, converted into the HTML document. After that it will exporting the PDF files like that. Okay, now I will copy those sections here. Control C and then paste it here. See, I already returned the codes. So this is string writer, SW is a writer, and HTML text writer, so SW it will write the HTML text writer, and I using string builder here. Here I am declare line by line. So here I have the HTML code already, I shown the HTML code. Line by line I will copy and paste it here. So I will show here once again, and go to AD, open with notepad. So this is first line, like that. Likewise I will line by line I am copied and paste it into here. So this is order number, so order number we will get the order number here. Inside order number I will get the order number, pass the order number here. Likewise I need the date here, date, so I need to get the date time here. I need to company name here. I will already declare the company name, I just pass the company name here. I need to declare the generate the grid view here, so that's why grid view I am using the table sections and create the column, and this is the table header I am using to create the table header, and styling the CSS style, inline style here, only using the inline style, then only it works. Don't use the outside CSS code here, it won't work. Okay, so I am using the inline styles. And the column names, this is the column product ID, product name, price and quantity total. So it will based on the dt columns, it will run the loops here. So the column it will appended here. After that table row, I will start a table row here and close the rows here. After that in data section I will create the based on the rows, try to for each loop based on the rows, and every row have one time run the columns here. So best practice I will put the debug mode here and run the project. It comes a debug mode here. So I have the columns, based on the columns I have, based on the columns it will run the loop F10 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 F10, so it will 5 times. Now you have to show the all the details. Date will becomes the date here, item name, table, product ID, product name. Likewise it will comes all the records here, all the records here, all the records here. Likewise I will append the rows here, row sections. Every row it will be try to every row is first row comes, after that 5 columns it will be looping. Second rows comes, after that 5 columns it will be loop. So now it will comes to end here. So after that here I am using the string reader to read the SP is a string builder. I am getting the string from string reader and pass the document, PDF document. I am declaring the page size of the document. So page size is A4 and margin 10 F margin left and right, right and left, right, top, bottom, all the margin we are setting. Now that PDF document and pass to the HTML worker and PDF writer I'm using to getting the PDF document size and the response dot output stream. So HTML worker, it will be converted into the HTML file, like and open the PDF document and HTML presser to the press the all the strings here. Strings here declared already, so it will converted the response to content type. Application is a PDF type and content type. Attached file is a it will invoice number automatically comes here .pdf. It will downloaded here. So now press the F5 directly, it will run the project. So it will downloaded here and click the PDF file. See, it successfully created the document size. Now I will run once again without debug mode. So first I will remove all the debug modes. Go to debug mode, disable all breakpoints. It will disable all the breakpoints and run the project once again. Once the project is run, the automatically PDF file it will converted and download here. So just you have to click the PDF file, it will open the PDF file. See. Okay guys, we will meet on next best tutorial. And one more thing I will tell, all the codes I will posted into comment sections. Don't forget to see the comment section. So using the comment section you can easily copy the code and paste it into your project. Don't worry about that. Just okay guys, we will meet on next best tutorial. Bye, see you later.